So y'all probably haven't seen my hair in a while. All right, in a minute. It's like, what are you doing with your hair, Jeezy? I know I had the waves, but right now, I'm rocking the fro.
He needs some milk.
I'm rocking the fro right now, and I want to do something different. I don't know. It's not that I don't know what I want to do. I need a haircut too. So I definitely seen this look where this guy had like a brown blondish patch right here. So I'm probably gonna dye this section right here. Alright, like right here. All this is about to be dyed, but I just want to just do the top. When I curl sponge it, I kind of want to just do the top. That way I can still use my enhancements, use the black down here, under here. And I basically got everything I need, okay, for this to be able to actually do this. So this is pre-planned. We're going to do it. Let's start mixing it up right now. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to be using a product called BLONDME. This is basically a lightener that lifts like at least 9+ layers. So if you're like a jet black, it'll get blonde. Alright, that's what the 9+ means. So the ratio that I'm going to use is basically 50-50. Alright, I'm going to grab 2 scoops of the 9+ BLONDME. And then I'm going to add my developer, still made by BLONDME. And I'm going to add 3 scoops, but basically I'm going to do it by eye. So next I'm gonna put on my gloves because I don't want any of this BLONDME mix to burn my skin. So I'm gonna use this curl sponge to apply it on my head, but first I'm gonna add this mix to the curl sponge, make sure it's saturated, but it really didn't go well. I'm gonna be honest with you, it didn't go as planned, so you're gonna be able to see like how I switched up and how I maneuvered. But one thing that it did do is it gave me the coverage that I was looking for, the circular roundness that I was looking for, so that was a benefit. Alright you guys, so I'm not about to play no games with it. I'm just gonna dye this portion of my area. Just applying it like this. I'm hoping for the best right now. Alright, let's do it. This is really bleached too, because I can smell it. God damn. I feel like I need some more. It's not really catching like I want to catch. You know what? Let's just do it old school. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Let's just do it old school. Cause I really don't want it to be I really don't want it to go all the way down to the root. So it's like, I just really want the top surface to be dyed. Really, it's just my front lineup. The rest, the down and the rest in the back here could be dyed. Just right here, right by my lineup, I don't want it to be. I really don't want it to be dyed like that. So. I probably understand that this is probably the most ghettoest way to do it, but hey, we're gonna figure it out. I don't know. Hey, we gonna roll with it, man. We gonna roll with it. Gonna make the best of it. The best of it. We gonna make it look good, man. Somehow this is gonna. I'm gonna pull this off. Somehow I'm gonna pull this off. I don't know. Hold on, real quick. Let me see. I see some spots. I see some spots right here. I feel like that'll do it. You know what I mean? I feel like that'll do it. We gonna see. We gonna see. Let me take this. Let me take these gloves off. Put this shower cap on, and we'll be back in about 45 minutes. Throw the shower cap on. Let's just wait it out. Either it's a dub or it's an hell, I don't know. Hey, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make it work though. I'll be back. God dang it. Alright, so it's been a minute. It hasn't been like heck long. It's probably been about 20 minutes, but I kind of took a peek at it. And I don't want it to be like too... I don't want it to be like this too blonde of a color. I just kind of wanted to dye it a little bit so it's like a brown goldish kind of color. Right now it kind of look like, let me see, let me move some of it out the way. Yeah, see, look at that. It's kind of this goldish color right here. Let me turn this light off so you can see. It's kind of this goldish color right here. So I'm about to wash this out. Definitely about to wash it out. And probably put some of this in my hair 1-to-1 with some developer. Try to see how that goes. Let's go. Alright, so you can kind of see the color right now. I'm about to wash this out. Let's go. Alright. I got conditioner in it right now. I'm about to let it kind of soak in real quick. But right now, I'm not feeling the color too much. But I'm feeling the placement of where it is. I'm kind of feeling the placement of where it is. I ain't gonna gap D. I think I did a good job on the placement. But we're gonna color it. Put that color developer in it and see what it looks like after. So I'm gonna just let this conditioner just sit up in here for 5 minutes. So, yeah. It's supposed to, it says it's supposed to be dry. Oh, somebody, he needs some milk. I'm feeling the placement. I'm just not feeling this color too much. But we gonna fix that. But I'm feeling the placement though. I'm feeling the placement though. I'm about to dry it. Hold on. Give me a minute. Alright, so that's what it's looking like right now. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm about to put some of the this in there. This gold color. About to put some of this in and hope for the best. Alright, let's mix it up. Let's go. So now I'm gonna mix the LumiShine 8NG. This is the natural golden blonde color. I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls of this and 2 spoonfuls of the developer. Alright you guys, y'all seen what it look like. I'm about to just apply it with the dang spoon. Alright, now that it's in there. Now that it's all in there, I just gotta wait for like, it say 5 to 30 minutes, but I'm not waiting no 30 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. But I'll be back. Alright, so it's been about, I wanna say 20 minutes or so. And this is what it's looking like right now, but let's go wash it out. Alright, this is the color. This is what it's looking like. But I need a haircut, man. Let's go to the shop and literally complete this whole look. I'm feeling it though. I'm actually feeling this new look, alright? Let's go to the shop. Alright, we here now. Let me give myself a fresh cut so I can see what the final product looks like, man. Dang, I can't believe I did it. Let's go.
Where you get your beats?
All right, YouTube, that's it, man. This is a different change. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a weird change that you never seen. I ain't never did this. But I'm gonna curl it real quick. Hold on. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. It's gonna get some taking to get used to. It's gonna get some taking to get used to, but I like it. I like it. It's something different. It's something different. I did it myself for the free 99. Remember that. For everybody that's gonna be hating in the comments, I did this for the free 99. I know. You messed yourself up for free too. All right, y'all. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.